Speed, Baba, speed. Very easy. You are in the class.
Sir,
क्या हो रहा?
manual accounting system.
मैनुअल में
Manual
स्लो रहेगा,
accounting-
कंप्यूटर में फास्ट रहता ना जी बाबा. Very easy.
हाँ sir.
Next, the question will go to Madhya. Madhya, about adjustment entry.
Adjustment entries in manual accounting system. It is made for rectification
That means
of errors.
that means it is allowed. It is possible.
Yes.
Right? Very good.
Yes.
Okay. और बोलना था, आदत बोले.
Computerized accounting system. It is not made for rectification of errors. Entries.
Okay. About trial balance, Ejaz. Next question, Hadia को है. Next question is goes to Hadia. Hadia, please ready, huh? Now Ejaz.
In manual accounting, it is prepared when required.
Okay, very good. When it is required, we will prepare in the trial balance in the manual computer manual accounting system. Next,
In computer accounting, it is provide
on the
trial
mouse,
balance.
is on the mouse click all times. Anytime we can generate a trial balance. Okay, same question, Hadia, meaning. Welcome, Hadia. Hadia, are you there? Hadia.
Hadia left.
Hadia left.
Came. Just now came.
Okay. Yes, Hadia,
Yes, sir.
are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the differences, the meaning? Same question. Before we asked you, again the same question is there for you. The meaning.
Which question, sir?
Meaning. The comparison between the meaning for the manual accounting system and the computerized accounting system.
Manual accounting system is based upon the book and it is done by manually.
Very good.
And the computer accounting system, it is a system which maintain the system and it is automatically done by the systems.
Meaning is here the use. Okay, here in the computerized accounting system, we'll use computer and the software. And the software. Who is left? Who is left? Okay. Anita, can you tell me about the financial statements? Anita.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, please.
In manual accounting system, we will prepare the financial statements at the end of the period, or end of the quarter. But in in computerized accounting system, it is already readily available. All information.
Yes. So it is available on the mouse click.
Yeah.
You can say like this. Okay, now clear now. What is the virtual accounting system? What are the advantages? So we can say, okay, so what we understood, the process and everything is same. So what is the difference, sir? Means the mechanism is different. The mechanism is different in manual accounting system and in the computerized accounting system. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now, manual accounting we are not going to discuss now, but because this is completely a virtual based accounting system. So virtual accounting. Now we learn based upon our previous explanation, we understood there are two things. One is we required one computer and we required one
Software.
software. Okay, now we will try to understand the differences between these three words, which are familiarly we are using. One is software. Okay, first one is the hardware, software, package, and the ERP. We'll try to understand the differences here. Okay, hardware, we use the word hardware, right? Hardware means nothing but the peripheral devices of the computers. Okay, devices of computer is called as hardware, like hard disk, monitor, keyboard, mouse, all the parts of the is a basic definitions we are learning. This is not a computer class. This is the class for accounting, but we must be familiar with these things and we must know what is hardware and what is software. That's why it's not a complete definition. This is general simple vocabulary or words I'm using you people to get on the differences between to learn the vocabulary of the computers. Software means application program. Software means application program through which
Coding.
computer will run. Software means the application program through which computer will run. Like, and this is like example Windows. Irrespective of the profession, if you are a doctor, okay, if you are a doctor, if you are an engineer, if you are a doctor, if you are an engineer, if you are a chartered accountant, or if you are a government servant, if you are using a computer, means there must be a software should be there. Means we can understand software, we can use the word for the application which is developed for general purpose. Which is developed for the general purpose is called as an application, is called as an software. General purpose means like Windows for every profession. If you are a student, if you are a teacher, if you are a doctor, if you are a lawyer, anyone, if you are using a computer, you need to use Windows is same. Yes or no? Windows is same for every computer, yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
That's why we are calling it as a software, which is general purpose. But here package also a application program. Package also the application program, but which is developed for a specific purpose. Which is developed for a specific purpose. Which is developed for a specific purpose. Means here we can say Tally is a accounting package or software. Tally is a package. Why? It is developed, application is developed to use in accounts department. Can you search a medical description in the Tally software? You will find the description for the medicine? No. Can you draw a architectural design in the Tally? No. That is called Tally is a package. It's a software, but we'll call it as a package. Why? It is specifically developed to maintain our accounts. AutoCAD. It's an engineering software which they are using to design a building architecture specifically. Can we pass the general entry here? No. You can do only drawings. Here you have medical transcription software. If you go to Medcare, like big pharmacies, they will have an internal software. Sometimes our doctor given one medicine, they will tell, madam, formula is same, but the company is different. They will check in their software. Calpal. Here we will call it as a Panadol. The company is different, but the content, the formula is same. So my intention is to explain the basically the package means the application program which is developed specifically. And here you can use these packages only and only for accounts. Only for accounts, only for engineering, only for medical. But what happening in the other departments of a company? Yes, this is the package. If you talk about a virtual accounting system, this is about only accounts department. This is about only accounts department. But here, ERP means enterprise resource planning. So centralized, they will use one software for accounts, for HR, for marketing, for sales and distribution. For these all the departments centralized connected with one database is called as an ERP. What is the difference between the package and the ERP? Here package is specifically developed for a specific purpose. But here ERP is developed for a centralized database to work with all the departments connected centrally, connected individually. So now here what we are learning, we are not learning the packages. Here we are learning the ERPs. So here we will maintain the marketing data. Here we'll maintain the HR data. Now in live ERP, we have the payroll management. HR, you have the marketing called as a contact for the suppliers and contact for the customers you can maintain. And yes, you can perform the accounting transactions. And yes, there are the different type of sales report, MIS reports are available in the live ERP. Live ERP. Okay, any doubt? Students?
Sir, can you please explain one more time for ERP?
Yeah, okay. Please write down the notes. Okay, so now come back to only differences between the accounting packages and the ERP softwares.
ERP.
Okay, accounting package and the ERP. Accounting package means what? The word, I'm not talking about other packages of engineering or pharmacy. Specifically, I'm talking about a accounting packages. Accounting packages, which is specifically the software which is developed for specifically to develop and maintain accounting records. Maintain only accounting records. So this is the package means which is exclusively only work for accounting. there is a ERP. When come to a one company, there are a lot of departments are there. So before introduction of a ERP software, there is called as a CRM softwares. There is called as a sales module, separate marketing software, separate customer relationship management software, separate manufacturing software. So every department is having a separate softwares, and this will be a burden to a company to maintain these many softwares. And this is very difficult to get the information, interact the information from one department to another department. The sales department must understand what is the payable, what is the receivable from the market. But there is a purchase department. There are a lot of departments in the company. So we can say here, first department is called as a purchase department, sales department, production department, HR department, and there is other departments. Manufacturing, production is done, sales is done, HR is done. There is some other departments like marketing department. So there are a lot of departments are there. So here, if they are using a separate softwares for every department, that is called as a package, right? If they are using one software specially used in the production, that is called as a package for the production, package for the marketing. So when these all softwares are connected together, all departments can be run with one software is called as an ERP. So ERP means it is a single solution for your whole business. It is a single solution for your whole business. And package means it is only for accounting purpose. Nowadays, no one using a packages. Every company is using ERPs, that too small coded ERPs.
Sir, ERP full form?
Enterprise resource planning. So here, if you come and if you check, are you able to see the white? Are you able to see the live ERP?
No, sir.
Hello? So
Not visible.
Okay. Got stuck. Okay. Now understood the differences between the manual accounting system and the compressed accounting system, and we try to understand the vocabulary of hardware, software, and the differences between the accounting package.
and ERP.
Clear, all of you, all the students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you people can ask me now. Tomorrow we'll start how to, and this is important for the CA students. Why? Because you have a subject called information technology, where there is a every student is getting failed or very less marks in the IT because of not having the clarity on the computer applications, not having the knowledge. So this course will help you people to understand and complete the information technology training and the subject. And with there is a subject in the inter and there is a subject in final, and there is a training on the computerized application. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hadia, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Anita?
Yes, yes.
So this is enough for today. We can continue. They will give you the basic principles of a accounting, and they will introduce a computer package, and they will tell you